26 Cadillac Coupe Deville, complete under dash harness with the fuse panel. This was removed from a coupe with 43,000 miles on it. It was a show car that was in a collision, so it was a front end collision. So fuse panel is obviously very nice. No heavy rust or anything like that that you usually see on these. Overall, the harness is very clean. The only thing that was cut was they put in an alarm system. So these are the wires going to the ignition, so you would just need to splice these into your ignition connector. Okay. And then they also tapped in here. They didn't cut it, they just twisted it in. This is going to the courtesy light, so this was also for the alarm when it would sound when you would open the door. Okay, so those were the only things that were cut for that. So as you can see, everything's nice and clean. No corrosion. Try and show you everything here. There's a lot of connectors, so bear with me. This way you can see exactly what it is that you're getting with the harness. Go back under here. Light bulbs obviously aren't guaranteed, so like that one you can tell obviously needs to be replaced, but just leaving them makes it easier to locate what you're looking for when you go to put it back in. I did some of these already, I apologize. Just try and make sure you see it all. Okay, and then again, these were the ones here for the ignition switch. Okay, those were the ones that were cut that you're going to need to splice into your ignition switch connector. I think that's pretty much everything.